This is the elevator at the Extended Stay America in Gainesville, Florida. But look at this. It says elevator communication failure. Also, it got modded. It used to be a Dover Impulse. Yeah, it just buzzed and lit up. And it's confused. It says it's going down. Let's go to 3. Series M2 fixtures. We're at 3. Just because I'm curious, you can still see some of the Dover blue that there was more of before the mod. It was gonna leave me. I usually try not to do that. Anyway, let's go down to 1. And that was the nudge mode buzzer. So indicator's completely burned out. They installed a camera right here, which doesn't even have a black covering on it. And the indicator is acting a little weird. Here's your certificate. We're gonna go for one more ride and let's see if anything weird happens. Hopefully not. The indicator's completely burned out, so not much we can really see. And let's go back down to 1. You can still very faintly hear the elevator communication buzzer. There you go, now it's on. Could be because someone called it up. Let's find out. Yep, and now it chimes and it still says going down. Anyway, that'll be it.